What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to another video with your boy Sticks. And behind me you guys see that I have the BMW 440,000. While both the BMW 440 and the BMW M4 are excellent vehicles, there are certain reasons why someone might prefer the BMW 440 over the BMW M4. And in today's video, here are 5 factors to consider if you're thinking about getting a BMW 440 or an M4. The first thing is the price. The BMW 440 is typically more affordable than the M4. Going for the 440 can provide a similar driving experience and luxury features at a lower cost. The second thing is, guys, comfort and practicality. The 440 offers a more comfortable and practical ride compared to the M4. It has a more forgiving suspension setup, which makes it more suitable for daily driving. And also, if you guys want to go on long distance trips, this is the car for you. I'm not saying that the M4 can't do it, but I just think that the 440 can do it a little bit better. The 440 also offers a more spacious interior and also trunk space, making it the best option for practicality and also for everyday use. The BMW 440 generally offers better fuel efficiency than the M4. If you're looking for a more economical option that doesn't compromise on performance entirely, the 440 engine might be more appealing as it strikes a better balance between power and efficiency. Number 4, guys, all-weather capability. As you guys know, the BMW 440 is equipped with xDrive, which is, BMW's all-wheel system. If you live in an area where it snows a lot or it rains a lot, having the xDrive, bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro, having xDrive is kind of good, because I be driving in the rain and in the snow. I be having no issues. The only problem that I do have, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, is that when I'm going down to like a hill and it's snowy or something like that, with the xDrive system, you guys know that when you brake, all of your tires brake, which means that when you brake, your car is just sliding crazy. But the good thing is that at least you can drive this car in the snow and rain. Now, when it comes to the M4, bro, you guys know that you got that rear wheel drive system, and that car, especially, what we be doing to it, getting it low and all that extra stuff, man, that car is not the best in the snow. And the 5th thing is, guys, is elegant. Guys, the 440 just looks elegant. Like when you get in this car, you just feel elegant. Like everything just feels like classy and stuff like that compared to that M4. When you get in the M4, bro, you feel like you ready to go, like race, and you just got that sporty feel when you get in the M4. Versus the 440, you feel more like, laid back. Everything looks pretty. Though we have kind of the same interior that the M4 has, you just feel completely different when you get in an M4 versus a 440. Me personally, I love the feel of the 440. I just feel comfortable. I feel like classy and elegant. When I got in my friend's M4, I just felt powerful, bro. That car just feels like a monster. It all depends on what you guys are going for, to be honest. Like, if you feel like you want to feel sporty and aggressive, then you will go with the M4. If you want a more calm look and just feel, then I will go for a 440. The 440 obviously doesn't get as much attention as the M4, but if you're not somebody that really cares about attention or wants to, get attention, then a 440 is good. Now, if you're somebody that wants, everybody to be looking at you, looking at your car, seeing what you got, seeing what you're doing, then you go for an M4. Ultimately, guys, the decision between the BMW 440 and the M4 solely depends on your budget, your preference, and your priorities. It is important to consider factors such as performance, practicality, comfort, and lastly, style. With that being said, guys, that is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys liked, make sure you guys like the video, comment down below any other video ideas you guys want to see, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.